All right, here with the president of the Jamaica Football Federation, Mr. Michael RICKETTS. First of all, I'm asking everyone, how does it feel to have an event like this for the girls? I feel like it's important that the girls brought this to Jamaica.
We are just absolutely excited. We would have done a lot of work in conjunction with Cedella Marley and the foundation, the REGGAE Girls Foundation, the JFF, its technical staff members, and of course Minister Grinch. It was more of a team effort, to be honest, and everybody would have played their part. And like I said, the rest is history. We have qualified consecutively for 2 global tournaments. No ordinary achievement, and we seem to take it lightly, but the world doesn't. I mean, we get so many congratulatory comments when we go overseas, and people constantly ask, how did you manage to do that? But with the commitment, like I've said, of Lauren and the coaching staff, of course, Minister Grange, the REGGAE Girls Foundation and the Marley Foundation, we were able to have done what I perceive to be a good job.
Yeah, man, this is a great feat. Speak to me some more about Cedella Marley and the REGGAE Girls Foundation. What's your relationship like, and that the impact that she's had and that foundation has had on the REGGAE Girls and the program? It's a total revamp.
Yeah, man. When I got into office, there was no. In fact, the women's side of the program was suspended, and we reconnected with Cedella. We overhauled the entire program, and we got things rolling in a few years. In 2 years, to be exact, we were able to qualify in 2019. There was, of course, we were virtually strangled by the pandemic, so not too much happened thereafter. But then again, in 2023, we are back in the World Cup. So it's been hard work, a lot of commitment, but it has paid off. And congratulations again to all the parties involved.
Here we go. I'm going to ask the president. Send a message to the girls. Hopefully they are watching this. I'll send this to a few of them. Send a message to the girls. We are very proud of them, and I want them to hear it from the president himself.
No, we had a meeting with the coaching staff in England some weeks ago, and we also met with the players, the girls, and I mean it was refreshing. We have a proper relationship. The Marley Foundation and the JFF, Cedella and I, we do have a real relationship. Again, like you said, I want to use this opportunity to big up our REGGAE girls. I mean, this was a real team effort. And from the youngest to the most senior, they have all played their role. And we are very, very grateful. And we offer hugest congratulations to them. This is no ordinary achievement.
All right, finally, from the JFF's perspective, any expectations on this year's tournament?
It's going to be tough. You're up against the best teams in the world, but I'm just hoping that we'll do better than we did the last time. I think we may very well have a stronger team, and we are just hoping that we'll get some points and move on to at least the second round.
All right, second round. There you have it from the president himself. Thank you for talking to us, and all the best going forward.